She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to me. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
What's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and today we're doing a different video. I'm going to show you a mod list of everything that I have on my car. A lot of you guys have been asking what mods I have on my car and how much it costs, so today that will be that video. So I know I haven't been on this channel for about 8 months. It's been a while. Honestly, to be truthful to you guys, I had no motivation to make any type of videos because I ran out of ideas what to do. I do have a couple of ideas on what to do exactly, but I can't promise you guys any more videos because there's nothing else to do until that GR comes.
Daddy, chill.
I miss you guys so much because I miss interacting with you guys on every single new video. I miss you guys getting so hyped up for the videos. I miss you guys just, I miss doing YouTube, honestly, but I haven't had the time or any motivation to record any videos. But today I'm going to bring a very special video back because I know you guys have been asking about all the mods, what we have on the car and how much it costs, because you guys want to gauge how much you guys want to spend on your vehicle. So I already did that. I already did the hard part, so now you guys have a guide of how much you guys can spend on making your car look like this, or even better, because my car is pretty dookie, you already know. But
Boy, if you don't.
alright, so in the last 8 months, a lot of things have been going on in my life. For example, I got some braces because your boy had chainsaw teeth, and now he's gonna have straight teeth after 2 years. So y'all wait on that. And obviously my hair is red, that's another thing. And I signed up for the GR. So my plans for this channel is to get that GR up and running and get you guys some content with that GR and all mods, performance video. Hey, I'm also probably gonna do a stick shift video, do a series of me learning how to do stick shift, because honestly I know how to drive stick a little, not a lot, and it's pretty embarrassing, but I feel like it's gonna be a funny video series to do on my channel, and then you guys seeing my progress from being a noob and then getting it on the track and seeing how good I get. But yeah, my name is down for a GR. My guy got me in Toyota, he has me down, so the plan is to get that GR this year in October. It depends. We're gonna see if I want to get that core edition or I want to get that circuit edition. It's still all up in the air, but this channel is not dead. I promise you guys. I will upload again once I get that GR. I will not leave this channel because I love doing YouTube. I love what I do. It makes me relax. It makes me have fun on this platform. So I appreciate every one of you guys that like this video. I appreciate all you guys that have been supporting my channel, liking my videos, and commenting on all my videos. It also means a lot to me. You guys have been asking me to upload again because y'all miss me and I miss you guys. So I really appreciate you guys, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first mod I'm going to do is the one right on top of the hood. It's obviously that carbon fiber hood. This is actually one of my favorite mods to the car because it gave it a different look. It's honestly pretty close to the color. That's why I didn't color match it. It looks pretty cool with that two-tone look, and those vents are really what caught my attention. I don't know if I wanted to go with vents or not, but I ended up deciding to go with vents. I did get this from VIS Racing. I will have a link down in the description. Alright, one quick thing, I'm going to interrupt this video. All these parts are going to be for sale, so if you guys want to buy these parts, they are going to be listed up on my Instagram. Not yet, once I announce that I get the GR. If I get that GR, all these parts will be for sale on my Instagram. So if you guys want to follow, I'll put a link down in the description. Let's get back into the video. Yeah, I paid a pretty penny for this guy. They're pretty expensive, not gonna lie, but they are a great addition to your vehicle. I also do recommend to get a ceramic coat. I did get a ceramic coat with my homie. I'm gonna put a link down for a description for his Instagram. He does it anywhere in SoCal. He did it for a really good price, and he'll hook you guys up. Just let him know that Bronzeback sent you. Let's go on to the next mod. Next mod I have on the list is this license plate delete. Yeah, it's little, but it's actually really effective. So many people ask me where I get this license plate delete, and I actually got it from socal.e2tints on Instagram. I'll put a link down in the description for their Instagram profile, and you guys can copy from them. Just send them a DM and they'll gladly hit you guys back up. Alright, so the next mod on the list is this decal right here. It's a black decal. It's not really noticeable, but when you look at it, it's actually clean. Without this black, it kind of has a neutral look to the car. This adds a little aggressive look to the car. I have this amber delete tint on the headlight. It's the only tint I do have on the headlight. It makes it look more darker, and it just makes it that more aggressive look. And for the last decal part is this Toyota logo. I get so many people asking where I get the Toyota logo. I did get it from Premium Auto Styling. I put a link down in the description for them. All the vinyls that's on this car is from Premium Auto Styling. They're such a great company. They get the product to you pretty quickly, and it's great customer service. Alright, so next mod, yeah, my car a little beat up, you know, it's been through some things, but the next mod is the 3 stripes. I did get it from a homie. His name is LA.Eternal. I'll put his link down in the description. Shout out to him. But he did get it from eBay. Everything will be down in the description. Every link, I promise you guys. So if you guys have any questions, it will be down in the description. I'm tired of saying that. I know you probably guys are tired of me. You guys are probably tired of. You guys are tired of hearing me.
You guys are probably tired.
Oh, yeah.
You could do so you want him to do you so much you could do anything.
You guys are probably tired of hearing me saying that over and over and over, because I'm already sick of it. So you guys know it's down in the description. Alright, so moving on, next right here we have this lip. You already know your boy's already too low, so it's already broken. I spent too much money on these lips, but this one's actually cheap. It was 50 bucks, I believe. I did get it on eBay. It actually looks really good. I will get a B-roll for every single part in this video. My car's a little beat up, it's a little dirty, but you know, it still pulls the women.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
My next little mod is this amber tint. This is actually the only tint that I did get from a different YouTuber. I don't know his name, but you already know. Check the description, and you guys know I will link you guys this product. Alright, so next mod is obviously my wheels. Y'all can watch the video of me installing them and me reviewing them. Also, these lug nuts are JDM. They are Project KICS. I did find them on eBay, so I got you guys with that. I also got some cheap tires because I'll be running through tires a lot. My next mod is a side skirt. I tried to find these on the internet because I know people ask me where I got these, and I can't find them anymore, but I will look for you guys where I can find them. They are made from Icon Motorsports. I did remember this price because this price was kind of hefty for some side skirts. They were $800. The other side is broken. Unfortunately, I'm going to show a video right now of how they look. I don't know if I can sell these. If you guys want to buy them, I'll sell them for super cheap. If you guys can restore them yourselves or something. But I did get these from Icon Motorsports. Very great addition to the car because the side skirts just make the car look lower. And the carbon fiber, you know I'm a freak for carbon fiber, so I love it. Let's go on to the next mod. So the next mod is a shark fin carbon fiber, well, fake carbon fiber mirror cover. I did try to get a company to make this out for me, but I guess they probably thought it wasn't going to sell, so they didn't make it. I did get this from Amazon. I love this piece because it just makes the car look aggressive when you're looking straight onto it. The next mod I have right here is the sequential lights, but I did get the smoke tint. I did get it from a Japanese website that you do have to bid on it. So you guys have to have a little patience on that, but this piece is also pretty dope. Next mod I have is actually a really cheap mod. I think these were like 15 bucks. But as you can see, it's all faded and whatnot. I was supposed to get around to sanding these down and clear coating them, but I got too lazy, to be honest. I might make a video of restoring these, but I did get these from Amazon. They look cool. I do know there's some companies out there that make real carbon fiber. I don't know where to get them. I just know there is some. So if you guys are looking for some, look up on Instagram. I know you guys will find some. Alright, so the next mod I have is the well visors. As you can see, they're hella faded, and you see they're pretty loose on some spots, like here. I am going to make a video of restoring these. I want to paint them gloss black or give them a little tint, or give them their tint back with that gloss back. I will make a video on that. I could probably pair it along with those door handles, just a little restoration videos, because unfortunately these started fading out like about a year in. which is pretty whack, not gonna lie, because this clear coat should last way longer than that. Alright, so the next mod I have is this big old boat cargo box on top of my roof. It is from Inno Racks. I did paint match it to match the car. They do sell it in white, black, and red, but it's another beautiful addition that I love on my car. It actually is useful, and it lets me look around all my fishing gear that you guys seen before in this channel that I like to fish, all my poles and stuff like that. Moving on to the roof racks, I did paint this gloss back just to make it look more cleaner because it did have a faded look. It did have a matte look to begin with, and I did not like that, so I did get these paint matched. But it's just your standard old OEM roof racks. Alright, so my next mod is this gas cap. I did wrap it myself. I will put a link down in the description for that video so you guys can figure out how to do it. It's a pretty easy mod. It's probably one of my first mods I did. You know, I'm a carbon fiber freak, so I did this. I do believe there's some companies that make them a replacement as real carbon fiber, but like I said, I don't know the links. They're probably on Instagram or something, so you guys can find them. But if you guys don't want to go through that, it's probably like 200 bucks, not gonna lie. It's actually like a $10 mod. It's another cheap mod that you guys can do. It's one of my first mods I ever did. My next mod is this spoiler. It is a Blitz rep. It's not the real thing. It is off eBay. They do come in all colors of the Corolla Hatchback. They come pre-painted, so you don't have to worry about it. A funny story right here. As you can see right here, I did drop this spoiler test fitting it. So there's a couple spots of where I had to paint match it. There's a couple imperfections, but let me tell you guys this something. No car is ever going to be perfect. For me, in my eyes, stuff like this gives the car character. It's just another part of this car that humbles you and lets you know that your car isn't perfect, and it will never be perfect unless you have a show car or not, something like that. I like these little scars on my vehicle because it humbles me, letting me know that my car isn't perfect, and nor it will ever be perfect. Next mod I have right here is this taillight tint. It just gives it another blackout look, which I like. My car obviously has some black and bronze look, so this just adds to the fact. Pardon the little dust. I haven't washed my car in over a week. But the next mod is right here is the sticker. Not really a mod, but just a homage to a great group that here in SoCal E210. They host meets every so often, so you can check out their Instagram when they host meets. The next mod right here is the wiper delete. This wiper delete is a little different from the normal wiper delete. There is a 6-speed mod where it completely removes it out, but my homie Joe, link down in the description for his Instagram. Shout out to Noyola IM, super dope guy. He actually helped me a lot modding this car. Was actually a big help in the beginning of this channel, and it's actually from his Miata, so I'm always carrying a piece of him when I'm out and about in the streets. Not meaning to be sentimental or anything, but he's a huge part of this car, and that's why he's here. This is an antenna for his Miata, so you guys can't find this anywhere. This is a one of one for my specific car, so you guys can find that 6-speed antenna delete. I will put a link down in the description for that. Moving on to the next mod is this carbon diffuser. You can see like the 3M kind of sagging and hanging down. This is probably 2.5 years of this diffuser being on here, and this is from the Cali sun beaming on this and just melting that 3M tape going down. I'm always too lazy to fix it because I don't really go to any car meets or any car shows to show off the car, so I'm okay with it. But this carbon diffuser is beautiful. This is probably one of my first mods I did do on this car as well. And I also have this Remark exhaust. Love the sound of this exhaust. I do have a video, so I'll link you guys to that video of how to install it and how it sounds. I do have a video clip with the headers with this exhaust as well if you guys are interested. Love this exhaust. I hope to drop a quad tip because I'm not feeling that 3 tip on that GR. Next mod I have right here is this gap, just to remind myself of all the people I've gapped before. So if you guys catch me in the streets, you know, look at this gap, you guys have no chance against me. It's actually this tow hook. It's more for looks. It's not functional at all. I know Cusco did drop a functional one. Alright, the next mod I have for you guys is that SSR suspension. As you guys can tell, my vehicle is lowered. I do have it on RSR, super down, lowering springs. I'm not on coils. A lot of people think I am on coils, but I am not. I really love the fitment. To me, they're a perfect fitment, and I probably will never ever switch to coilovers or bags because bags are for groceries. Alright, so let's move on to the interior. In the first mod, I'm going to start off with the interior, which is first of many, is these seat covers. I did get them off Amazon. They look very OEM. I do have a YouTube video on how to install these, so of course I'll link you guys that. Next mod I have for you guys here is this steering wheel all carbon fiber from IS Auto Group on Instagram. You guys gotta hit them up on the DM if you guys want to cop that. Next are these carbon fiber shift paddles. They are from Synth Carbon. Super clean addition to the steering wheel. It just buttons up the appearance on this steering wheel. Another small mod I have right here is this little sticker. I did get it from eBay. Cool little TRD white and red bubble sticker. I don't know, to me it's the little details, guys. The little details adds a lot of character to this vehicle. Next is this shift knob. This shift knob is actually pretty rare. It's from this Instagram page that I think no longer is up. It is from a JDM Instagram. So unfortunately I cannot provide you guys a link for that shift knob, but I'm sure there's companies that produce a shift knob like this one. Next up is a very special collab with Kuruzu. Shout out to Kuruzu. They're a very great company. They're a very reliable company that makes products like these for your shifter. They're very premium. I've had this for about a year now. This still looks brand new. Shout out to Kuruzu. I'll put a link down in the description for their Instagram. Give them a follow and go shop their products. They'll make anything that comes to your mind, they can make it happen. Here's their rear view hanger. Super dope. Collab. If you guys did cop this when it did come out, shout out to you guys, man. You guys are the real ones. I don't think these are available anymore, but they can make customized products to your liking anytime, anywhere you guys want. They do ship it out to you guys, and they are very customizable. Next up are these floor mats. These floor mats are pretty dope. They fit perfect on my car. I do have a video for that, so I'll put a link down in the description for that. A huge shout out to F1 Mats. They did actually sponsor me with these mats, so I'll put a link down in the description to them where you guys can cop these. Next up is probably one that everyone asked me where I got this, and I actually got this from a fellow E210 member. I got these used. It's the interior dash kit for carbon fiber. It's all around, as you can see here on my nav. It's on the door. I did actually buy these used, but you can buy them new on Car ID. I know they are pretty pricey, but honestly, the guys, they are worth it. I would highly recommend to buy this dash kit. I'll put a link down in the description for that. Next up on the list is actually this banner. It is a premium auto styling banner, super cheap. It adds a great look to the vehicle. It also blocks the sun, so that's also a plus. Super dope addition to the vehicle. Alright, for my last mod I have for you guys is this JBL subwoofer. I did cop this off Amazon with the whole wiring kit. Yeah, I still have my fuse here and I'm still alive. I do know this belongs on the battery, so y'all can chill. I did pin a comment saying that this goes near the battery and it's not safe. I know that. So many people comment that I did this wrong. I know I messed up, but I did pin a comment. For some reason you guys are still saying that I shouldn't be doing this, which I know. But so if you guys do install this JBL, make sure you put the fuse closest to the battery. Alright, I hope you guys found this video very helpful and help you guys gauge how much money you guys want to spend on your Corolla Hatchback. This is how much I spent on this vehicle on just mod. Go down in the comment section, I'll answer to the best of my ability. Thank you guys for watching another video. I appreciate you guys. I have a couple more videos lined up for you guys on this Corolla. Other than that, that wraps it up for me. Hopefully in the next couple videos you guys will see me in a GR Corolla. Thank you guys for watching the video. I really guys appreciate you guys. Alright, I'm out.